Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, CD changer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.